New day, new adventure. Waterfalls and hot springs. This is all part of the package here, staying at the hotel. I can never say it. Guachipelin.
Guachipelin or Guachipelin, something like that.
Guachipelin.
Yeah, I think it's Guachipelin.
There's 7 waterfalls you can walk to, drive and walk for this one, and some hot springs as well. Looks like there's 3 waterfalls here. At least 3. There's number 3 now, and the path goes on. There's four waterfalls here by the Rio Negro trail, and this is near where the hot springs are, so we're gonna go back to number 3, I think, to enter the water, because the pool here is a little bit further away from where the waterfall comes.
We can stand here!
And now number 1. Now to the hot springs. Crossed up the first hot spring, which is temperature of 45 degrees Celsius or 113 Fahrenheit. Not bad. Sounds too good. There's a trail to follow to get down to the springs, the hot pools. Whole day here at the Hotel Guachipelin, and we're gonna check out some more of the waterfalls. Yesterday afternoon we went to the La Negra waterfalls. There are 4 of them, so there's 7 total here, but the La Victoria one's told that it's more for the adventure part where you can zip line or canyoneering, and not as nice for swimming, so we're going to the 2 other ones that are nicer for swimming today. So it's about a 1.5 kilometer walk to the Chorreras. Sorry about my pronunciation, is bad in any language. New trips in Costa Rica. Up down the road from the hotel. Starts just 1 kilometer from here to the waterfalls. Hiking to another waterfall today. Walking path parallels the road for the first part.
And either.
Yeah.
Tamanduá.
Yeah, here you can hear the waterfall and the parking place for the horses. Slippery rock. Because they have water. Ooh, it is a little cold. super refreshing, super beautiful. The blue pools. Pools. Not so much of like a pool, but just a small. Doesn't really have such a pool. More just a section of the river that's.
Scared. I told you.
Costa Rica cowboy. Lots of blue sky today. It's a little after 2 p.m. in July, the rainy season time, so very fortunate to get so much dry weather to enjoy the sights here in Costa Rica. 1 kilometer, a little more than a half-mile walk to get to these waterfalls. Pretty fun. It's a suspension staircase, suspension bridge with stairs to get down the waterfalls. These are the waterfalls now in the afternoon and in the shade. Come on down. Alright, let's do it in. Air bridge to come out. We actually did the waterfall behind us. So nice to get in the water. It's very refreshing.